Welcome to tutorial number 2. Creating mailing labels by Parcel ID. To pause the video, simply click anywhere on the video screen or click the pause button. Click again to resume. In this tutorial, you will learn how to generate mailing labels from a single Parcel ID. Once exported, the labels can be printed to any Avery 5160 compatible labels. Avery 5160 labels have 30 labels per sheet and are designed to be printed on letter-sized 8.5 inch by 11 inch paper, with each label measuring 1 inch by 2 5/8 inches in size. Before you begin this tutorial, make sure to watch tutorial number 1, Introduction to the Mailing Labels Widget. Launch the Mailing Labels widget by clicking the widget button from the toolbar. Next, choose the selection method, by Parcel ID. The Search by Parcel ID text box appears. You may now type or paste the Parcel ID in the text box. Click Go or press the Enter key to run the query. In a few seconds, the buffer tool will add your parcel to the map. Depending on your internet speed, this could take several seconds to complete. Once complete, the subject property is shown in the buffer results block. Inside this block, you can find a detailed counts, including a count of unique mailing addresses and a sortable table of addresses to export. The table fields include the tax parcel type icon, the parcel ID, and the parcel address. Both the icon and parcel ID can be clicked to view its parcel details in a new window. By default, the subject property is included in the exported mailing labels. This setting can be toggled to include or exclude the subject property in the exported mailing labels at any time. We're now ready to create a buffer offset around our subject property. Buffering involves measuring the distance outward in all directions from a subject property at a specified distance. The result is an offset that captures any parcels that intersect the offset. Note that addresses that are exempt from public disclosure per Chapter 119, Florida statutes, are excluded from results. To create the buffer offset, drag the slider to the right to increase the offset distance or left to decrease it later. You can also set the distance by clicking anywhere along the slider scale or by using a keyboard shortcut. Use the up arrow or the down arrow to move the slider in small steps right and left, respectively. Use the page up or page down button to move the slider in big steps right and left, respectively. Properties on the map will begin to highlight as you increase the buffer slider distance. As described earlier, the buffer results table includes the parcels that intersect the offset parcel on the map. For this example, the buffer tool found 44 parcels at 425 feet from the subject parcel. From the 44 parcels, 8 were found with duplicate addresses. Therefore, there will be 36 exported mailing addresses. Click the Save as PDF button when we want to export the results to compatible Avery 5160 mailing labels. A notification will appear at the bottom of the browser when your download is completed. The downloaded file name includes the parcel ID, the offset distance, and the unit of measurement. Click the Save as CSV button if you want to save the results to comma-separated values. This option allows you to import the data into other applications, such as Microsoft Excel and Word. Click the Reset button at the top of the Mailing Labels widget when you're done, or if you want to begin a new export. You are now ready to generate your own mailing labels by using a Parcel ID.